All right, once you've downloaded everything onto your jump drive, you're going to come into the truck, pop this little rubber cover out of the way, insert your jump drive, hold down F1 and F3, then turn your ignition key on. In a second here, you'll see a screen prompt. Right here, it says, please select update source. This is a USB update, so you're going to hit F1. Once you hit your F1, it's going to run through the update all on its own, and it'll prompt you if you need to do anything else from here. Once the update's completed, it'll reboot your JVM screen. You can see at the bottom here, it now says Software Pack AA, which is what we've just installed. Your JVM screen will come back to normal. Once you get there, you shut your key off, let your JVM power down. Once your JVM is powered off, you can go ahead and remove your stick and put your cover back in, and that completes your software update.